Hi, this is Isha. You're watching a video with justtutors.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about probability. In this lesson, we'll first cover the experimental probability PE of an event E. Then we'll see how the probability always lies between 0 and 1. Then we'll work with the probability problems based on coin and probability problem based on a die. Let's begin with some warm-up questions. You can pause the video here to try these questions. In the first one, name the faces of a coin. In a coin we have heads and tails. In the next one, we have to find how many faces are there in a cube. So in total there are 6 faces in a cube. In the next one, we need to convert the given fraction into the simplest form, dividing the numerator and the denominator by 3. The answer is 1 over 12. If you've got the same answer, it's really wonderful. And now let's start the lesson to work with experimental probability. Experimental probability PE of an event is a ratio of the number of trials in which specific event occurs to the total number of trials that we do. It is generally written as this: PE equals number of successful trials over total number of trials. Let's look at this with the help of first example here. Kamla shuffled 20 tickets numbered 1 to 20. She picked a ticket at random. What was the probability that the ticket drawn was a multiple of 3 or 5? So here let's first write the sample space. We denote sample space by a capital S and we put the curved brackets in which we write all the possible outcomes. So we are writing all the numbers from 1 to 20. So we have total 20 number of outcomes. The total number of trials is 20. And the events, that is the successful trials, will be either the multiple of 3 or the multiple of 5. So these are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 5, 10, 20. So the total number of events or the successful trials are 9. So we write it as numerator, and the total number of trials is 20. We write it as denominator. So this is the probability that we have a ticket drawn either a multiple of 3 or a multiple of 5. Let's look at a coin and a die. A coin is either having a head or a tail. A die will either have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 as its event. Let's look at this. When one die is taken as a sample space, we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. In tossing a die, the total number of possible outcomes are, there are 6 possible outcomes. Let's look at this question. When a cubical die is rolled, find the probability of getting an even integer. So even are those which are the multiples of 2. So either it could be 2, 4 or 6. So the probability PE of getting an even integer equals 3 out of 6, or if we are simplifying, we can write it as 1 over 2. That is, we are having half probability of getting an even integer. Do you notice that every time you're finding a probability, it's either between 0 or 1. It is never less than 0, nor it is greater than 1. With this, we have some practice questions for you. You can work out these practice questions. You can pause the video here. And when you are done, you can check your answers from the answer slide provided to you. Thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.